Hey everybody, it's me. We're gonna make some cashew chicken in the Instant Pot. I've already got my rice going. I went ahead and got it started because we use brown rice because we're on Weight Watchers, and so the rice takes a little bit to go ahead and cook. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to get the chicken going. So I've got my 6-quart Instant Pot here, and we're going to go ahead and put it on saute, and we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil into the bottom of the Instant Pot. And it's beeping, so it's almost ready. Now the recipe actually calls for chicken thighs, but because we're on Weight Watchers, chicken breast is a 0-point food, so we make it with chicken breast. So I've cut them up, kind of the breast up in kind of the size of the chicken thighs. So we're just going to place these into the Instant Pot. Just like so. And we're going to sprinkle them with a little bit of salt, obviously for a little bit of flavor. And we're going to sear the chicken for 3 minutes, and then we're going to flip it and sear it for another 4 minutes, and then I'll come back then. Okay everybody, the chicken has been seared. While the chicken was searing, we went ahead and mixed up the sauce, and the sauce includes coconut aminos, apple cider vinegar, some honey, and a little bit of sriracha. So we mixed that all up together, and that's gonna be what the chicken actually cooks in. So we're gonna put that all in. We're gonna turn the pot off. Dump the lovely sauce in. We're gonna add our Instant Pot lid. Make sure that we put it all the way over to sealing, and then we're going to pressure cook for 5 minutes. Alright, we'll come back in just a few minutes when it's all done. Okay everybody, the chicken is cooked, so we're going to go ahead and release the pressure. And this is what most people are afraid. But no worries at all. Just a little steam. Release, release, release. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the chicken from the pot. So the chicken is cooked. It's been sitting in the sauce. It smells delicious. Now we're going to go ahead and add the cashews. and the broccoli. Okay, we're gonna put the pot on saute, and we're gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes. Now, I also have one additional portion to the recipe, and that's a tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water, and then that'll be the thickening agent for the sauce story. Okay, once everything is sauteed, we're adding the chicken back in, and then we're going to add our little mixture with the cornstarch and water. And then that will help to thicken up the sauce. Stir it around, cook for just a minute or 2 more. Ready to eat. Show you what everything looks like once we get done cooking. Alright everybody, this is what we've got. Brown rice, cashew chicken. It's delicious, but we're real people, and so you can see we're eating off real paper plates. And hope everybody has a good night, and see you soon.